Ever wonder where your photos go when you upload them to Google Drive? Or how Netflix streams movies instantly without storing anything on your device? Well, you're already using something called cloud computing, whether you realize it or not. Let's break it down. In the simplest way, cloud computing is a way of delivering computing services, like storage, servers, databases, networking, software, and more, over the internet. Instead of running programs or storing files on your own device or local server, you access them through the cloud, a network of powerful, remote computers hosted somewhere else, usually in massive data centers. Still with me? Good. Let's imagine something simple. You take a photo on your phone. You open Google Photos. Boom, it's there. But where's it actually stored? Not on your phone anymore. It's uploaded to servers managed by Google, sitting in a secure data center, possibly thousands of miles away. That's cloud computing in action. And it's not just photos. Think of services like Netflix for streaming, Gmail for emails, Google Docs for collaboration. You're not using your computer's power. You're tapping into the clouds. So, cloud computing, right? It comes in like 3 main flavors. Think of them like layers of a cake. 1. IaaS. Infrastructure as a service. This is the base layer, renting virtual servers or storage from a provider like, say, Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. Great for developers or big companies. 2. PaaS, platform as a service. This gives you the tools to build and deploy apps without worrying about servers or hardware. 3. SaaS, software as a service. This is what most of us use every day. Services like Zoom, Dropbox, or Canva. You just log in and go. You don't own the software. You subscribe to it, and everything runs in the cloud. So, why is cloud computing such a big deal, anyway? It's scalable. You can grow from 10 users to 10 million overnight. It's cost-effective. No need to buy expensive hardware. It's accessible. Work from anywhere in the world. It's secure. Big cloud providers invest heavily in protecting your data. And that's why, 90% of businesses today rely on cloud computing in some form. In a way, the cloud has quietly become the backbone of the modern internet. From your phone to billion-dollar apps, it powers our digital lives without most of us ever seeing it. It's invisible, yet everywhere. So the next time you save a file, binge a show, or send an email, remember, you're probably using the cloud. And now, you actually know what that means. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Tech Explained simply.